Hello dear traders, you're watching weekly financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, or weekly financial news. The US stock market closed high on Friday, February 24th. The Dow Jones Industrial Average extended its winning streak of record gains to 11 days. Investors adopted a wait-and-see approach ahead of the speech of Donald Trump to the US Congress this week. Earlier, the US president promised to significantly ease the tax burden for businesses and the middle class. The Nasdaq rose on Friday on the back of an increase in Intuit shares as well as an Insight, Dollar Tree and Ross Stores shares. The weekly gain in the Nasdaq made up 0.1%. The blue-chip Dow Jones Index climbed to 20,821.76 on Friday, with shares of Walmart stores and Home Depot among its main contributors. Throughout the week, the index added 1%. The S&P 500 also showed positive dynamics and advanced to 5,845.31. Over the 5-day trading week, the index grew by 0.7%. According to the final data prepared by University of Michigan, in February, U.S. consumers were less optimistic about the economy than in the previous month. The Consumer Sentiment Index dropped to 96.3 from 98.5 in January. Another report from the United States showed a new home sales increase by 3.7% to 555,000 units. The data missed forecasts for a rise to 575,000. This could mean that higher mortgage rates made some potential buyers postpone a home purchase. Intuit Incorporated shares jumped to historical highs in price. The shares gained 6.06% in value to $128.01. In the second quarter, the company logged adjusted earnings of 26 cents per share against 25 cents per share a year ago. Experts had projected the same figure of 25 cents. The Intuit shares soared above the upper boundary of a monthly trading range and set the fresh record since the year's beginning. The Walmart stores shares were also among the best performers of the Dow Jones on Friday. The company's shares added 1.51% in price and closed at $72.39. The retailer's shares increased by over 4% in value last week after the company revealed its fourth quarter report. In the fourth quarter, Walmart annual revenue shrank by 18%. However, markets were surprised by the news that Walmart revenue from e-commerce in the US soared by 30% in comparison with the previous year. Such an increase is linked to the acquisition of online retailer Jet.com last year. And this concludes the weekly review of financial markets, prepared for you by Insta TV team. See you next week. Bye.